Hey everyone, it's me Arthur Caden. Tonight we're at the New York premiere of M. Night Shyamalan's newest movie, The Visit. We'll be bringing you interviews with the writer and director himself, as well as Kathryn Hahn and the entire cast, so get ready for a great night behind the velvet rope. Hey everyone, it's me Arthur Caden with the man of the hour, M. Night Shyamalan. What a change of pace for you, this movie, as you've been doing huge blockbusters. This is an indie thriller with some comedy. How did this all come together, man?
You know, it was a movie idea I had for a long time. I'm so happy I finally made it. I was like scared to make it. It was so tiny and so weird, the idea. I just went away and made it. And it was a really scary thing to go off and make a movie without knowing what was going to happen to it, that we would be here today, but we're here today, and it's very, very exciting and humbling.
I was just telling you, I'm originally from Philly, and one of the things I love is Philly and Pennsylvania are so close to your heart. Talk to me about why you've had this prerogative to make your movie there. It's awesome.
It makes it really intimate for me. It makes it more personal as a writer. You know, writers write about where they're from and what they know, and that's where I live, Pennsylvania. So I've said everything there, and I make a lot of bad things happen to people there.
This is a change of pace for you. You've had so many brilliant comedic roles. Doing something with M. Night Shyamalan, a thriller. It's got to be fun, right?
Oh, the best. It was the dreamiest. But like and I'm sure he would say the same thing. I approached it. We all did, as if we would just a story, just like telling a story. And tried to make it as real as possible. And then I was surprised by how much humor came out, like how funny it is. I did not know in reading it, and I think that's such a testament to him, that because those laughs are the best when you're watching a scary movie. The absurd horror laugh is is so fun. That's why I love going to the movies. Like, I love that feeling of the whole audience like freaking out, laughing, screaming, yelling. I mean, that's the best. It's like what going to the cinema is like all about.
So you get to work with M. Night Shyamalan. Yes. How cool is that? No one works with kids better than M. Night. What was it like for you guys?
It was an honor. He's an extraordinary director, very easy to work with, very specific. We both, I think, learnt an incredible amount.
Yeah, I mean, it really was an honor to work with M. Night Shyamalan. I mean, I remember when we first got approached and we knew it was him. We were just
like, yes,
wow, yeah,
absolutely, yes.
And working with him was really great. It was very hard at times. Like, he definitely pushed us, and I'm sure he'll tell you that he really pushed us to our limit, like to places that we thought we could never go. Yeah.
This looks like a lot of fun, The Visit, and you get to work with M. Night Shyamalan. He's awesome, isn't he?
Absolutely the best. Oh, he was so much fun. He loves actors. He loves making movies. He giggles when you do something he likes. You know, he's just wonderful.
This movie, it's a little bit of scary, a little bit of fun, and then, as he said, funny as well. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, well, that was what was such fun about it. You go in thinking that it's going to be a sweet movie, actually, just charming, but not particularly ha-ha. But there's so much funny writing in there. It really is. It's like a comedy with a little dark side. It's like a Hans Christian Andersen fairy tale.
You're supporting M. Night's new movie. Talk to me about being here and supporting him.
I'm just so excited. You know, I think one of the most exciting things is when you have friends who are also that you're big fans of. And Night and I got to do Wayward Pines together, which was just a great experience. And so the moment that this was actually coming out, he emailed all of us from Wayward Pines and was like, hey, can we get the posse here? And no matter what, I would be here to support him. And I will say that I saw a very early cut of this, which was super scary. And now I hear it's even more scary. So I'm not a big scary movie person. So I'm a wimp, basically, is the gist of it. So let's see if I come out alive.